How to watch reels in high quality on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can watch reels in high quality on Instagram. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. To check, you can open up any web browser. Now head over to any internet speed testing website such as fast.com. Now you want to check the speed of your internet. If your internet speed is below 50 Mbps, then your video quality on Instagram is going to be low. But if your internet speed is higher than 50 Mbps, then you should be able to watch the reels in high quality. You can switch between Wi-Fi and data and make sure that your internet speed is more than 50 Mbps. Now the next step is to open up the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and find the option of data usage and media quality. Now, if you have turned on data saver, make sure that you turn this option off. Then in the media upload quality option, you want to toggle on the option of upload at highest quality. If you toggle this option on, Instagram will upload the highest quality photos and video even if the uploading takes longer. When it is turned off, Instagram will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. Now with these two ways, you will be able to watch reels in high quality on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.